Please welcome back to the channel and good morning, happy new week, happy new month to everyone, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today I'm just going to bring you guys along my day. Today is going to be a very hectic day for me. With God by our side, we are going to go through. So right now I'm ready and I'm going to my office. My office is just here in my house. Okay, so I'm just going to my office to do one or two things there. It's not a special office, so it's just a normal place I've turned into my working space. I'll be going to town as well, so let's just do one or two things in the office, then we move out. Okay, so yeah, please stay tuned, do not go anywhere, watch this video to the end. Okay, and please do like, share with friends and family. All right, so let's do this together. If it's your first time here, you are highly welcome, my dear. Consider subscribing and hitting on notifications so you'll be notified when there's a new video. All right, so let's do this together. Don't forget to smash the like button. Okay, it's going to help this video a lot. Okay, all right. So before I move to my workspace, guys, let me show you what I'm repping now. I'm just in the simple straight dress. Okay, so this is what I'm repping. Okay, so yeah, with this pair of slippers, I guess you guys saw this slippers in one of my vlogs. Yeah, when I got it from the mall. All right, so yeah, this is what I'm repping. Okay, so yeah, catch you. Welcome back, guys. So I'm in my working space now. Okay, and I'm going to be putting down one or two things before I step out. Okay? I need to label all these stuff before I send them out. Okay, so yeah, this morning what I'm going to do now is to go to the printing press or printing uh, office to get the stickers and then place it on me. But for the meantime, I'll be going to Accra also to do one or two things there, to do some inquiries there. Okay, so yeah, let me quickly do this. I don't know the time. Let me check the time here. So it's 9:19. Okay, and I want to just cross check all the stickers I'll be needing, so I'll not make any mistake. Oh my god, I left money here. get to town. So guys, I'm about to leave the house, okay? So I'm about to leave the house. Catch you in town, right? Do not forget to like and share, okay? All right. Later. Because sometimes like it's from my So guys, I'm in Accra Central now, and I have to park somewhere to join this Okada so he can take me to where I'm going, because I do not know there and I cannot drive around without knowing where I'm going. So this Okada man is taking me to the place I want to go. Okay, I'm actually looking for a transport station to send my goods through. Okay, so yeah, that is why I'm on Okada. I was so scared, guys, but I have to do. So after sorting things out in Accra, I passed by a hospital to do some tests because this month my menstruation was not good. It was really painful, and I've never ever experienced that before. So I went to check what was wrong with me. So that's why I'm lying down for scanning. Okay, so guys, I'm so exhausted. I'm just coming home. It's almost 7 p.m. and I'm just coming home. Guess what? I got this beautiful bag here. Let me do some cooking before I continue this vlog, because you can see from my eye, very tired. I'm so tired, but I have to cook for us to eat. I'm starved since morning. I've not eaten. I had brukina, only brukina, and till now I've not eaten anything. Okay, so yeah, let me just quickly do fast jollof for us to eat and catch you later, okay?